Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on November 17, 2025, about a week ago. It introduces an Omni memory system that lets long-term agents keep far better personalized context, hitting about 52% on the low county Mo benchmark and about 63% on Persona-Mem, with nearly 3% gains over previous memory systems, plus big speed and token savings. The paper is titled O-Mem, Omni Memory System for Personalized, Long-Horizon, Self-Evolving Agents. And, as we'll see later, the results are really impressive for anyone who cares about truly long-running, personalized AI assistants. Figure 1 shows that O-Mem sits on the best performance efficiency frontier among memory systems, meaning it is both fast and accurate instead of sacrificing one for the other. This kind of frontier, sometimes called Pareto optimal, marks setups where no other method is better on both axes at once. The left panel plots performance against average time delay, where O-Mem reaches high scores with low latency. The right panel compares performance to token cost, and O-Mem again achieves strong accuracy while using far fewer tokens per interaction. Figure 2 contrasts how an agent reasons about the same weekend question, with and without Omni memory. The top half shows a user-centric cluster, where the system tracks health, exam results, hobbies, and schedule as linked user characters, events, and topics, so it suggests resting and studying. The bottom half shows reductive message groups that only cluster by surface topic, which leads to a generic suggestion to play sports instead. Figure 3 explains how Omni memory turns raw conversations into structured memories, and then pulls them back out to answer new questions. The top pipeline shows the large language model agent extracting user characteristics, events, and topics, then updating persona, episodic, and working memory, which means 3 complementary views of the same interaction. The bottom pipeline shows that a fresh user query triggers retrieval from all 3 memories at once. The combined result then goes back into the agent, so responses stay consistent with both long-term traits and recent context. Table 1 spells out how Omni memory stacks up on the low county Mo benchmark, and it clearly takes the top spot across models and task types. The table compares several memory systems under GPT 4.1 and GPT 4o mini on multi-hop, temporal, open, and single-hop questions. The green rows show that Omni memory achieves the best average F1 score for both model sizes, while also leading or tying on most individual categories, especially temporal reasoning, which is the hardest long-range test. Table 2 shows how these memory systems handle truly persona-heavy interactions on the Persona-Mem benchmark, which tests whether an assistant keeps track of a user's preferences over time. The green Omni memory row scores the best overall, with an average of about 63%. Omni memory recalls shared facts reliably, tracks preference evolution, and revisits reasons behind changes, while still giving preference-aligned recommendations that generalize well to new scenarios. Alright, wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Omni memory shows that structured persona, episodic, and working memories can beat simple semantic clustering on both accuracy and efficiency, and it makes long-running assistants feel far more consistent and personal. That is it for this episode of AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.